More and more people are finding out what it's like to discover the world from the fresh perspective of the waterways. On the rivers, lakes and canals of Europe and Canada, you can escape the everyday, discover unique places, and come together with your family and friends to create those once-in-a-lifetime memories. A boating holiday gives you the freedom of having your very own mode of transport and overnight accommodation in one. On our boats, you're free to explore the places you want to explore, and completely at your own leisure. There are no schedules or itineraries to restrict you. You can enjoy the gentle pace of the river, passing through locks and chatting to your fellow boaters. And when you want to, you can stop and explore the many waterside towns and villages you'll encounter along the way. For a really great mini break, you can stay with us for 3, 4 or 5 nights, an ideal opportunity to try us out and see what you think. For a holiday to remember, you can enjoy 7 nights on board, or longer if you wish. Anyone can enjoy exploring the waterways with LeBoat. Operating a boat on the inland waterways is not that difficult. You don't need any prior boating experience or a license. After you arrive at one of our bases, our expert base team will spend time with you to show you around your boat. They'll tell you how everything works and guide you through the controls and how to maneuver your boat. They'll even accompany you on your first practice drive and take you through a lock if they can.
You'll quickly get used to passing through locks and soon discover they are all part of the boating fun.
Our boats are really easy to drive. They have a steering wheel, just like a car, and a throttle lever for forward and reverse. And they're strong and sturdy enough to withstand a few gentle knocks while you get used to the controls. You just need to take it nice and slowly. Remember, the majority of our customers we welcome each year have never been boating before either. Our boats are like staying in a well-equipped holiday apartment and come with everything you'd expect. Private bedrooms with comfortable beds, bathrooms with hot water showers, flushing toilets and sinks. Many are ensuite. All our boats have kitchens with gas ovens and hobs, and sinks with hot water. And there's somewhere inside where you can enjoy a meal or come together as a family or group. They have heating as well in case the weather turns chilly. 12-volt power sockets, like the ones you'll find in a car, can be used to plug in your adapter lead to charge your mobile phone. Some of our boat models also have higher voltage plug sockets. They can provide power while the engine is running or when the boat is connected with a cable to a shore-based power supply. Many of our boats have sun decks, from where you can steer the boat and enjoy being together outside. Sunbathe, watch the scenery go by, dine al fresco, and spend memorable evenings together with your family and friends. LeBoat has bases all over Europe as well as in Canada. Each destination offers something a little bit different, be it a new city to explore, a hobby or interest to indulge in such as fishing, or swimming, water sports, or wine tasting. There are different landscapes to discover, from beaches and coastline to forests and mountains. There are a few things they all have in common though. Beautiful countryside to meander through, and small out-of-the-way villages to explore. And of course, our experienced LeBoat team are always on hand to ensure you have a hassle-free holiday and make the most of your time on the water.
In many of our regions there is more than one base, so you can pick up your boat at one base and return it to another if you wish.
If you arrive by car, we'll transfer your vehicle to your end base during your holiday. Our boating experts are on hand to answer any questions you have and to help you search for your ideal holiday. Or our website has more information as well as live availability and prices. Maybe it's time for you to try a fresh perspective. We can't wait to welcome you on board.